Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a updated video today to show you how to get free gems in Volleyball Legends. You can get 10,000 gems for free using a working Volleyball Legends codes in 2025. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go ahead and do this, guys. 10,000 gems would cost you a ton of money. And I've managed to find a quick and easy method to get a secret code for Volleyball Legends for free gems. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, because I am going to be creating more Volleyball Legends tutorials as and when they're needed. So let's get into the video, guys, and show you how to get gems fast in Volleyball Legends Roblox. So as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on either iPhone or Android, or basically any mobile device, guys. I'm not sure if there's any other devices other than Android or iPhone. I'm not a tech geek, but just use your mobile phone. And you need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So cold coupons, and just type it exactly how I've typed it here. And basically, this is going to bring you to a codes website that I found. They have codes for tons of different other Roblox games. They have video game codes and mobile games as well. So where it says search here at the top, what you're going to do is just search for Volleyball Legends. And this is the codes page. There's 3 verified working coupon codes at the minute at the time of recording, but they do add codes as well quite often. So this is the code. If you scroll down, as you can see, there's a few options here. This is a Volleyball Legends 10,000 free gems code. So go ahead and tap on get code. And this is a simple code that you can redeem in Volleyball Legends Roblox. And it's going to supply you with 10,000 gems, which is absolutely awesome. They're pretty expensive. I can't remember how much they cost. I think 10,000 probably is about 3,000 Robux. So it's quite a lot of money. And as you can see, you need to unlock your personal code, guys. These are limited, 624 codes remaining. So this basically stops people from stealing all of the codes and getting unlimited gems. So you can only do this once. So click on get full code and just follow the instructions on this screen here. Basically, guys, long story short, you just need to complete 2 of the free tasks on this screen. Now, these basically are mobile applications and stuff like that, guys. These sponsor cold coupons, and that's how they can supply us these codes, but they are completely free, and it does only take a few minutes to complete a couple of these. So yeah, I highly recommend you just read the description, read the small text that tells you how to complete the tasks. And if you do that, it will automatically redirect you back to this page, and your code will be fully unlocked and revealed, guys. So you can redeem it in Volleyball Legends. And that is how to get 10,000 gems for free. And it's pretty quick. It does only take a few minutes to go ahead and do all of the steps that I've showed you in this video. So head on over to Cold Coupons, and yeah, basically, guys, just search for the Volleyball Legends page using the search bar, and select the free gems code. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next upload.